welcome to today's craft. I hope everybody's having a good day. Let's go over our letter, which is Q. Can you say that? Like question or queen or quick. There's a lot of things that start with the letter Q. And we've got our page here today. This is what the letter Q looks like, an O with a little line down it. Very simple to write. We've got a queen. And do you know what this is? I know you probably said feather, but it's actually a quill. A quill is something we don't see very much of anymore. A quill is what they used to write with a long time ago. Actually is a feather, but they dip it in some ink and then they use that to write, and they called it a quill. Okay, and look here, look, there's a big Q, and look, what did they make out of that today? They made a queen. They've got her crown and her eyes. See, it's just a big O with a line through it. Very easy to write. You can practice that. Practice writing that at home. Q, quack, quack, quack. What are some other Q words? We've got quilt, quick. Think of some. I'm sure you guys can think of some good ones. All right, today we are going to be making a melted snowman. Okay, I just have this little paper here. I'm going to show you what we have. We usually have extra crafts, so if you want to come by and get one at the library, if you weren't able to join us at Storytime today, just come on by and we'll get you one. And all I did was cut out, I've got this puddle of snow and a scarf and a hat and his nose, his 3 buttons that was on there, and his 2 eyes and his arms here. And I'm going to show you, this is really very easy. You can draw all of those pieces at home and cut them out. You can practice your cutting. Just draw some buttons and nose and a big puddle. And this is a melted snowman. I made a little snowman. I made him just like that. The sun came out and melted him, and now my snowman's flat. Okay, so that's our craft today. That's what we're going to be doing. So the only thing we're going to need is glue or tape. So first we're going to glue down the puddle, okay, of where he melted. So let's go ahead and just put you're going to put some glue on the back of your puddle. And we're just going to glue it down like that. Push, push, push. And really, you can't go wrong here because he's melted. So the pieces can go anywhere you want them to go. Because when he melted, all of his things fell off. So he's doesn't really supposed to look like a snowman anymore. Okay? So, but let's just glue. Let's glue his hat up here at the top. You don't have to make yours like Miss Tori does. You can make yours however you want. Let's put his hat right there, kind of on top. And his eyes, we'll glue his eyes kind of. I'm just going to glue him apart there because he is melted. So next I'm going to glue on his nose, and I'm going to put it over here. Look, he does look kind of melted, doesn't he? What about a scarf? Where should I put his scarf if he's melted? Maybe I'm going to put it right there. Does he look like he's melting there? He kind of looks like a ghost, doesn't he? And I'm gonna have much room for his buttons. His buttons are gonna have to go on the ground because let's put his one hand over here, one of the sticks, and one kind of over here because he did melt. So look at that. There's my melted snowman. Where are you gonna put his buttons at? Where should I put his buttons? Kind of down here? Because they kind of fell off, didn't they? Or maybe we could put a button up there at the top. Or you could put a button on a scarf, whatever you like. I'm gonna put a button here. And I'm gonna put one down below that so it looks like they just kind of fell off. How about that? Look at that little snowman. He did melt, didn't he? He's just a pile of water now. I'm gonna put a button right there. And there you go. There's my melted snowman. Yours will look different because you can put your pieces anywhere you like. And there's my melted snowman for today.